Average mortgage rate hits 7.49, highest since 2000, says Freddie Mac. The average rate for a 30-year mortgage rose to 7.49 last week, a fresh high since December 2000, according to mortgage giant Freddie Mac. Investors' concerns about the possibility of further rate hikes by the Federal Reserve are driving up yields on 10-year Treasury notes, which influence mortgage rates. High rates are making mortgage payments to buy a house unaffordable for many would-be buyers, and are also discouraging sellers, who are reluctant to give up their low fixed rates. Well, it's now a new world since I graduated from high school. I hope something kicks for the next generation to own, even if it means my home's valuation tanks. We need a correction, and it should start with these hedge funds and foreign groups buying houses in bulk to rent them out. A couple of years ago, you would have been called an idiot on this sub if you said that interest will not stay that low forever. You don't understand. It is the new normal. Our economy is now stable enough that you will not get back the interest rates we got in the 2000s. Need to find the posts. Well, everything is reversion to the mean. Let's see where the future mean is though. Higher? Lower? Take a guess. It's fun working 40 hours a week as a senior software developer and not being able to afford a small home in the area I work. What was the mortgage rate when America was great? Feel like throwing up. The Dow Jones lost about 38% of its value from 11,722 in January 2000 to 7,286 in October 2002. That would be equal to a 22,320 Dow Jones compared to its 36,000 peak. And the 2000 recession was subtle compared to 2008. Reddit would lose its collective goddamn mind if anything like that happened these days. Supply needs to increase for mortgages to affect home prices. Very low new construction supply vs. demand, which moves buyers to existing homes. Sellers market. Either all mostly cash from movers from HCOLs to LOCLs, or those that will bite the bullet with new rates and assume they can refi in a few YRS. Put your money in T-bills at 5.5. Well, I don't know, I'm still seeing many people posting their just close 4-rate 30-year fixed in other subs. Are GNMAs still a thing? What are they paying these days? How do I get 7 returns by loaning money? Can I get it on this? I'll sit this round out. As a retail investor, is there a way to buy recently issued Fannie Mae Freddie Mac bonds at these mortgage rates? I can easily hold them for some years. How about rent rates? Still below average. This is Bidenomics. Why are mortgage rates so high in the US? Do you guys have a poor credit rating? Up until 1 year ago, mortgage rates were sub 1 in Belgium. Personally, I have 2 mortgages. One at 0.93 for 13 years and one at 1.14 fixed for 25 years. Right now mortgage rates rose to 3.4 in Belgium. That's disgusting, face vomiting. Crazy. I thought my 4 was high 8 years ago, but the house doubled in value. Freddie Mac reports a week delayed. They are almost 8 today. Nothing to worry about though. They are just transitory. This really bums me out. I just now got into a financial position where I can buy a house and also found a house that will fit my family and needs, and I'm looking at 7.75 interest on an FHA loan or 8.6 on conventional. It really seems like the worst possible time to buy a house, but if the rates are going to keep going up, then WTF does one do? My mortgage broker said it's fine to get the loan now and then refi in a few years when the rates go down, but that's mostly a guess on his part, isn't it, lol? They could go up. Very confusing time for a novice.